All right, you got it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, forward. Forward to the right. There you go. Bring it to the left. Turn it left. A little forward pushed in. Don't let it slow down.
7 Yankee, over 3 X-ray Echo, no delay. Actually, disregard. 3 X-ray Echo, continue holding short, and I'll get you going as soon as the Hawker lands.
Level out.
Continue holding short, X-ray Echo.
Going forward.
Forward.
And don't let the nose come up. You're going to slow us down.
Alright.
There you go.
AC Romeo, runway 7, taxi via whiskey, minus frequency.
Little bit of right. Level us out. There you go. Kind of look out towards the horizon there.
Okay.
Keep it in line with the compass here.
Alright.
Helicopter 6 Bravo Charlie's midfield for Yankee.
Helicopter 6 Bravo Charlie, taxiway Yankee, clear to land.
Clear to land Yankee 6 Bravo Charlie. Alright, it's a little too fast.
Yes, I saw.
Not so much back though. All movements.
Okay.
Alright, level out. Level it out. There we go.
Lima X-ray, turn right when able, and taxi to your ramp via whiskey, monitor ground, point, have a good day.
Alright, right turn, taxiing via whiskey to the ramp, monitor ground, 818 Lima X-ray.
Alright, let's come to the right a little bit. Let it slow down. Nice big chunk of wind right there.
Yeah.
So 7 Yankee, November 3 X-ray Echo, proceed on course, runway 7, clear for takeoff.
Runway 7 clear for takeoff, X-ray.
And Helicopter 6 Bravo Charlie's going to do some hover work here on Yankee again.
6 Bravo Charlie, roger, thanks.
Alright, we're going to stay here on Yankee.
Alright.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Gwinnett Tower, Skyhawk.
Just trying to break it up for you a little bit so you're not trying to,
ready for takeoff.
not getting tired of doing one thing.
Alright.
Short pause.
7380 Romeo, Gwinnett Tower, left traffic, runway 7, clear for takeoff, approved as requested.
Cleared for takeoff as requested, 7380 Romeo. Just to verify for 80 Romeo, you want us in left traffic, correct?
I do left traffic for 8 Sierra Romeo, November 8 Sierra Romeo.
Left traffic 80 Romeo.
Alright, you got it?
Yes. Forward. Back. Forward, back. Now.
Okay, you got it.
Yes. Forward. Forward, but it's not happening now. Back. Back. To the right.
And little back. Touch it. A little bit of pressure. Hold it. It'll stop.
Tower, Columbia 2528 Tango is ready for takeoff. Runway 7.
Columbia 2528 Tango, Gwinnett Tower. Turn right on course.
Take some of that pressure off.
7 clear for takeoff. Cessna departed ahead of you. That is going
Okay,
left
put
hand.
some of that pressure back on. Off again.
Runway 28 Tango, clear for takeoff. Runway 7.
Forward. Right. Right.
November 8 Sierra Romeo, runway 7, clip the option.
Right.
Clip the option. Runway 77380 Romeo.
Right. Right. Forward. Forward. Why isn't it going forward? Right. Yeah. Right. Forward.
A little bit more right.
All right.
Tower, banner 43 is inbound.
We'll bring it back this way.
For banner drop.
Banner 4343, report 1 west for banner drop.
There you go.
Left. Back. Right.
Banner 4343, report 1 west for banner drop.
Forward. Why isn't it going forward?
Yeah, just gotta put in a little bit of forward. Let it react. Settle down. Okay, got it?
Yes. Right, a little bit right.
And forward.
Forward. Back. Forward. Right. 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 Stop. Forward.
And 4343, say again.
Right.
Banner 4343, report 1 west for banner drop.
4343, roger.
Right. Right forward. Left. Forward. Back. Forward. Right.
Okay, Romeo, come to the runway.
Yes, please. Charlie Whiskey to 7 with you, I'm assuming. 80 Romeo.
80 Romeo, affirmative.
Tower, 4343.
All right, you ready?
4343.
Give it one more shot and then we'll head in.
Okay.
So James, still trying to get a picture. Would it be okay to fly down Tango, stay north of the runway all the time? Teardrop for a east to west drop.
Forward. Back. Left. Down.
Center 4343, I can remain north of the runway, fly over Taxiway Tango, and I'll see if I can work out that teardrop back for an east to west drop. No, actually I can't do that. I'll try to work that out.
Forward. Back. Right. Right. Right, come back here. Forward. Down. Up, out. Out. Out backwards. Forward. Forward. Down. Stay.
There you go.
Forward. Back. Stay. Stay. Sideways.